Hey, you over there, are you planning to start an eBay business? Well, picking the right product and niche is crucial. And in this video, I will guide you through the top 9 eBay niches and the top selling items in each niche that is set to succeed. So stay tuned to learn which products are worth focusing on. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe at any time. Thank you so much for your support, and let's go. So starting with number 9, we have baby products niche, and it has generated $24,000 in the last 30 days. And baby products are always good to sell simply because parents need things for their kids all year round, no question about it. And one of the top products to sell is this piano for kids, sold 82 times for $18.99. The next niche, we're talking about pet products. The pet products niche has generated $36,000 in the last 30 days. And if you have a pet, you know how much money you're spending buying toys, food, and all these little products for them. And check it out, this dog shock training collar right here is the top product, sold 215 times for $20.99. And in the next niche, we have HDMI cable, which has generated $42,000 in the last month. With today's tech world, HDMI cables are essential at home and at work, so the demand is always there. It's quite straightforward, the demand. And the top product is this HDMI male-female adapter right here, has sold 497 times for $1.92. And then in number 6, we have packaging, and it has generated $67,000 in the last month. And if you look down here, number 1 product, it's this small bubble packaging wrap right here, sold 265 times last month for $39.99. Moving to our next niche, I am going to show you right now lighting. So it has generated $108,000 in revenue in the last 30 days. And nowadays, when it comes to lighting, it's so amazing what you can buy for a cheap price to make your home more cozy or even just more practical, you know? And let's scroll down here. This is the top product. It's the solar motion sensor light, and has sold 328 times for $6.79. Are you enjoying this guide? So hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell as well for more updates. Now let's dive into the more promising niches. And the 4th niche I'm talking about is health and wellness. Check it out. It has generated $117,000 in revenue in the last 30 days. And let's be honest, after the pandemic, the world realized how important it is to take care of our health. And this realization translates into numbers and demand for health and wellness products. And number 1 is this Puritan's Pride Rapid Release Soft Gels right here, has sold 443 times for $11.99. Now, coming in 3rd place, we have iPhone cases, and it has generated $118,000 in the last 30 days. And everyone that I know that has an iPhone case. So not much to tell here. It's always in demand. And the top product is this one right here, is this leather shockproof cover, sold 773 times for $9.49. The next niche is pretty interesting, and I'm talking about smart watches. Look at this, $138,000 in revenue in the last month. And these watches are not only practical, but they're also a fashion statement. So it's definitely an evergreen product to sell, and the data doesn't lie. And the top product is this one right here. This is a waterproof smartwatch, and has sold 149 times for $19.99. Now, are you ready for this? Coming number 1, we have speakers. And speakers have generated more than $217,000 in revenue in the last 30 days. And it's for all age groups. All age groups are looking for speakers. Music touches the soul. Indoor or outdoor, winter or summer, music is always there, and you know what I'm talking about. So the best selling product is this right here. The best selling product in this niche is this Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 6 speaker. So it's 247 times for $99.99. To sum it up, successful eBay stores specialize in a niche. They create a strong brand, identity. And for more insights on building a profitable eBay business, check out our free webinar in the description below, or you watch other videos for basic tips on setting your eBay store. Keep moving forward and see you next time.